all we need to solve this assignment. Numeric slider, check. Series, check. Let us try to solve this assignment. First, let us look for a series component. Drag and drop one of these and double click on the canvas and let us make a numeric slider from -20 ... to 20. Enter. Now let's set this one to -10. Copy paste as in Rhino and set the step value to 1. How many numbers do we need? Let's set this one to 9. Connect the start, connect the step, and connect the count. Now go back to params, drag and drop a panel, and connect the output of the series to the panel. I'm going to change the font, and it looks like we have the first list. Copy paste, and let's find the second list. The start is at 20. The step value is at 5, and we have the same numbers. Now let us try to use the range to get the same result. Math, drag and drop a domain, connect the domain to the range, click from -10 ... to 2, and connect and connect. Set this one to -2, so the domain goes from -10 to -2. How many do we need? 8. Why 8? Because the range is always giving us 8 plus 1. That means 9 numbers.